Open. Okay, so let me show you guys some of the things that I picked up.
His little hand. I know, he's like, ah.
Les parfums.
Yep.
Trying to lose weight for this summer. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, look at me. Look at my face. I had to take off my contacts because my eyes are really itchy, so I'm wearing my glasses. This looks so bad. But Cam and I, we are taking a walk. Hopefully this camera is clear because my vision is really bad right now because I took out my contacts. It was actually sunnier today, but now it's kind of cloudy, so it feels like it could rain later. So it's Sunday. We had a fun weekend. We had a fun weekend. Saturday we went out shopping. I think that was it. We just went out shopping around town. And then Sunday, which is today, Junior came. So Junior's here for the week. And we just chilled, had a lazy Sunday. So that's about it. Nothing really much going on. There's Cam. Yeah, so this week it's about to be a lot of moving parts for me. I go back to work on Wednesday. Junior's here. Hopefully I'll be able to start this week on a new hire I'm adding to my team to help out with a lot of things. And I'm excited for that. So once I have this person on the team, I should be able to go back to creating more regular videos on YouTube. So it's just a lot. I'm just trying to keep up with you guys and have you guys keep up with me, you know, juggle everything, and then trying to be more efficient. And then to be more efficient and to scale, I need to have more people on my team. So the hiring process for that is kind of like a learning process for me, kind of just knowing like what exactly do I need on my team and the skills and how they can help me just be, as I said, more efficient. You guys have seen my life update video, so trying to coordinate and help you guys get your businesses up and running. So yeah, so if you didn't see my life update, I'll link it down below. But I'm helping women that have their business ideas and are just starting to launch their business or something, just get launched and stuff like that, just helping them coordinate and stuff. So all right, so Junior's here.
What's up?
So I have a gift for him, so I'm gonna surprise him. So there you are, Junior.
Oh, okay.
Right in center. So yeah, close your eyes.
All right, I'm closing.
Close your eyes.
I'm closing them.
Open.
What? The Sister Nky stuff? Crazy. What is it though?
Oh no!
I gotta open it though. Wait, how do this?
Like this, you push the C.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, is this the chain? I've been thinking about getting this for a while. That's crazy.
Can y'all see it? So this is your birthday present for Vegas. Ready?
Yeah, thanks.
Looks good. Are you ready for Vegas?
Yep.
Hey guys, so we are in Indianapolis with Cam. Say hi, Cammy. I know, he wants to go. Yeah, so we're in Indianapolis. We're just at the mall that's connected to our hotel. We're staying at the Embassy Suites downtown Indianapolis. So Chris went into H&M, and I wanted to eat something, so I just stood out here to eat my breakfast, and because I didn't have my mask on. So yeah, so we're just here on an adventure. Was it on Thursday? We were like, hey, let's drive somewhere. So we Googled like fun places to drive to from Ohio, and this was on the list, and I was born here as well, so I haven't been in Indianapolis in years. So we said, let's just go here, let's see what's going on. So of course, the same weekend we decided to go. It's the Indy 500, so we were wondering why hotels are so expensive, but now we realize, okay, all right, we picked of course, a big weekend in Indianapolis to come here, and the hotel price is like astronomical, but it's all right. We still found a really good place, so, and we're downtown, so yeah. So we are just gonna check out this mall. It's connected to our hotel, and then we're gonna go to another big mall that's here. We just want to see what this mall was like, and then we'll go to the other mall. So yeah, we're just here having fun, and it's a little cold. I thought it would be warmer, but it's very cold outside, so it's dark. It was just bright just now, and it got dark. The only thing that we bought was from Sephora. So our Sephora bag is it's full. So I got, what is this, Huda Beauty cream lipstick, and I got it in Gold Digger. It was like a nudie brown color, which I really liked. Yeah, nudie brown color. And then I got this with my Sephora points, Sunday Riley vitamin C. I love vitamin C serums because they help even your skin tone. If you have like any dark marks or anything, it helps like even your skin tone, so I like anything with vitamin C. I got the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, oil free, so I'm excited to try this. You guys know that I just got the, what's that other one that I got? Is it NARS? Yeah, NARS tinted moisturizer, so I want to try the Laura Mercier one. And I got the color 6N1 Mocha. And then my favorite makeup setting spray, I haven't tried this one before. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, but this is the Ultra Matte. So I got this one, but this is my favorite makeup setting spray. I've tried many other ones, but this one I always just go back to because it's so good.
I got the magnetic
excuse me,
eyelashes.
Excuse me.
And I love them. You guys don't even believe it.
Okay.
Check me out. Look at my eyelashes. It's a magnetic eyelash.
And then I got the this was a freebie with my points. Glow Recipe Plump and Depuff Duo hyaluronic acid serum, eye sleeping mask. So I guess it's a trial, so I'll try that. And then
my phone's probably gonna connect.
And then I got the travel size Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume. So I'm excited to be wearing this one. I'm gonna have a new vibe with this smell.
Right, Tom Ford. We've been wanting to get Tom Ford for like
a
while now. Trying to get to get it.
And then Chris got the YSL Le Parfum.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. I think Nordstrom Rack is like our signature store. Like if we were a store, we would be Nordstrom Rack.
They have good stuff,
yeah,
great prices, and it's always a win.
Yeah, I like going there for shoes.
Yeah,
that's like the main thing, like their shoes.
It is. You have a good variety and also all sizes. I think. So.
Yeah. And then after that, I'm gonna go to dinner.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to dinner.
Yeah, because I don't think haven't been like since Cam's been like a toddler. We haven't been to a restaurant together.
Yeah,
like,
we went once.
One time.
Remember that was when he was like about 2 months.
Yeah, he was just a little baby. He was still in a carrier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then went out that once, and then I think the week or two after that, or like maybe like a month after that, that was when COVID hit.
Yeah.
So everywhere shut down.
Yeah.
And then obviously nobody has eaten out since then.
But yeah, I love this mall. This was the Keystone, the fashion mall at Keystone Mall. Yeah. So it was really good. All right, so we will see you guys later.
Peace out.
Hey guys, so we just finished breakfast. I was so hungry, I didn't even get to vlog before we started. But we ate at Yolk here in downtown Indianapolis, and it was awesome. I had a cinnamon roll French toast. Chris had his crepes, of course, he loves crepes. And Cam had some pancakes. we're gonna go run around in the park across the street. So by the time he runs around and you tire him out, we'll get in the car and he'll pass out.
Thanks, guys. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, my makeup today, I'm in love with it. It's the stuff I bought at Sephora yesterday. Yeah, he's ready to come out. He's ready to jump out and run around. It's okay, Cam. We're gonna go outside in 5 minutes, okay? So we just got to the park. It was right across from where we had breakfast. And I'm just sitting here with our stuff, and Cam and Chris are out there in the field. This is a perfect place for Cam to just go and run because he loves being outside. He loves just being free and running. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna zoom into Cam. He just loves being out here. Look at him. There you go. You run your heart out.
Alright, Cam. We're gonna go see your cousins.
Go run for one last time.
Let's go run. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tired? You tired, Cam? Huh?
One hop, big boy.
Aw, Cam, look at him with his little hand.
I know, he's like...
You see the dog?
You're the one chasing the dog now, huh?
Aww. Hey guys, so I am about to wash my hair. So today's wash night. It is probably like 1 a.m. right now. Let me see. Yep, exactly 1:01. 1:01 in the morning. Chris is calling me. I have a hair appointment tomorrow at 11, so I need to wash my hair and get it prepped. I found this girl here in Columbus that's really good with hair, so I decided to like have a hairstylist in my life now. I feel like it's therapeutic just to have someone be doing your hair, and then kind of like self-care and kind of thing for me as well. You know, just that, you know, just get to sit back and have someone do your hair. So I haven't had that in years. So it's just Cam and I here at home this weekend. So Chris, Lawrence, Junior, and Sumto, which is Lawrence's brother, they all went to Vegas to celebrate Junior's 21st birthday. Because Junior turned 21 this year. Things weren't open yet in the beginning of this year. So all his plans that he's been planning, he's been literally planning to go to Vegas for his 21st for like 10 years. Because I promised him that I would take him to Vegas when he turned 21 10 years ago. So luckily, you know, when he turned 21, he has all these brother-in-laws now. So they took over and made it special for him. So celebrating his 21st, and then Sumto just graduated from medical school. So celebrating that as well. So they're having a boys trip. All right, my hair is washed, and I'm gonna use Oluchi's Frobel hair butter to moisturize my hair, and then I'm gonna dry it. So that's gonna be a process. So I'm done washing my hair, blow dried, and I just put it in my little Milkmaid twist. It is 3:47 in the morning. I am going to go to sleep now. Good morning. It is 10:30 on Friday. I just dropped Cam off. I just got back like maybe 30 minutes ago. I'm about to get ready to send some email campaigns. I usually send email campaigns for my site on the weekend, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sometimes I do Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'll show you guys how I do my email campaign. So I usually make it on Canva first. This is like a graphic for something else, but I think that page that I'm trying to pull up is, but anyways, I made like a review kind of blog. This was for something else, but now I am trying to put it up on the email campaign. I'm trying to design it. This is what yesterday's looked like. So I just use the same template and then just switch out the pictures and stuff. So I have to make this graphic right now on Canva, and then I already made the graphic that will replace this one. So usually these are supposed to be planned out the week before, like the week leading up, but sometimes when I get busy, then I just have to just put it out, get them created before I put them out. I like to send them out like around noonish, so I have like an hour and a half to send these out, but usually it takes me like 5-10 minutes to do these. So all right, we just got to the mall and we're getting ready to, just got to the mall. So we just got to the mall, so we're about to go a little bit of shopping. Just me and Cam and I. All right, Cam, you ready to go? You ready? Good morning. So it is June 15, I believe, and it is Tuesday. Taking Cam to school right now. I've been packing for Turks and Caicos for the past couple days. I go back to work on Wednesday, and then as soon as I get off work for the week, so I'll be gone for 7 days, I fly out that next day. So I have to finish packing like today so that I'm ready to go when I get back from work. So I have a hair appointment. That day I get back, I have a hair appointment, and the next day I fly out. So I have to do everything today so that I'm ready to go. I don't want to do any like running around, you know, or last minute stuff, because I hate doing that. So as soon as I drop Cam off, I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx just to get a couple more things that I need to travel, and then I'm gonna go to CVS to get some like snacks and stuff for the road, and go home, finish packing, and then that will be it for that portion. So yeah, it's been crazy busy for me. I've been trying to keep up, trying to get a lot of things situated. I've been just trying to just keep up. It's been a lot. I'm scaling in a lot of ways in my various businesses. So with scaling, there's a lot of groundwork that needs to be done. So that's what I've been working on, trying to grow my team to help me manage everything. So that's the part that I've been focusing on the end of last year and all of this year so far. So it's been a learning as I'm going process with, you know, bringing people onto the team and stuff. So I'm excited. A lot of work, but all in all, I'm just trying to gain back my time and get back to creating as much as I want to and all the things that I want to do. So yeah, that's what goes into creating and stuff. So I am trying to just keep up. All right, we're at CVS, coming to get my CVS snacks. So as I said, I love to get road snacks for traveling, especially healthy ones, because I'm so prone to bloating anytime I travel. So I always like to pack my own snacks and get healthy snacks, because definitely outfits on point, bathing suits and all that. So I just want to see what they have. I'm so excited. Okay, Alrighty, so I kind of have an idea of the kind of snacks I want to get because I definitely do like a soft keto diet, so I like to make sure my snacks are low in sugar. And definitely, let's see where all the snackies are. Alright, let's see what they have. So they also had these peanuts covered in like jelly and peanut butter that are like, they taste like a peanut butter jelly sandwich. So I'm gonna get those. The Essentia water. I love the pH balanced waters, and the Essentia is my favorite actually. Ooh, they got pretzels, they got jerky. Oh, they even have, let's see, they even have the vegan jerky as well, so I'm excited. Pretzels, so yeah, they have a lot. So, and these are all low in sugar, so that's what I need. I also like the low sugar waters, little drinks that like, they're like juice but flavored, but there's no sugar in them, or low sugar. So I'm gonna get one of those as well. Okay, I think that's it. I need to get something at the pharmacy, and then I'm gonna do like a little haul of all the snacks that I got. All right, I got everything I need. Time to go home. All right, so thank you CVS for all the healthy snacks that I got for my trip. Alright, so I got a bunch of goodies, so I will do a little snack haul when I get home. I'm so excited. Alright, so let me show you my CVS snack haul. Alright, so I wanted to, as I said, stay with like low sugar, keto friendly, and I love how CVS has healthy snacks that are vegan, organic, keto friendly, all types of snacks for all types of diets. And you don't need to go to like one of those specialty grocery stores to find these types of snacks, which is really great and convenient because there's always a CVS around the corner. Okay, so let me show you guys some of the things that I picked up. So definitely on the way to the airport, gotta stay hydrated. So I got my essential water, and I've been loving essential water for years now. It's my favorite of the ionized alkaline waters, so definitely have that. And then I'm trying this Vital Proteins collagen water. It is strawberry melon flavor, and it's a perfect blend of refreshment and collagen peptides. It only has 3 grams of sugar, 60 calories per bottle. So actually let me just try this now and see how it tastes, because at least I have the essential water for traveling. Oh, it's like a hint. So it's like, it doesn't taste like water, but then like a hint of like lemon strawberry. So it's really good. Some of my favorites that I picked up are one of them is this, the Skinny Dip Peanut. It's peanut butter and jelly. So the peanut is covered in strawberry jelly. So really good high protein snack, and I love peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. That will be a good snack to have. The other one I want to show you guys is the Skinny Pop Kettle Corn, and it's sweet vanilla flavor. So definitely popcorn is definitely a really good healthy snack. So there's this popcorn. It's organic popcorn with organic coconut oil. That's a good one. So this one doesn't have any sugars, any added sugars at all, which is good. And I love jerky. So this is a plant-based jerky. It's a smoked chipotle flavored, vegan, protein packed, and it's made from peas and beans. So definitely love jerky, and jerky always keeps me full and stuff. So I like that, and I guess it's more on the spicy side. So let me try this. Ooh. So definitely if you're vegan. I love Crave's jerky. It's always so flavorful. It's really good. These are definitely really good. Alright, so I got everything in my snack bag. Now I'm going to continue on and actually start packing my suitcase. So I went to TJ Maxx and there was no suitcases. I feel like everyone bought these suitcases because it's time to be out. So there was no suitcases at TJ Maxx. This is the first time in my life I went to TJ Maxx and there's no suitcases. I just ate popcorn, so hopefully there's no crumbs on my face. All right, so all my clothes that I want to pack, I have brought them out here. I have shoes over there, my travel, how do I do this? My travel tote bag, and then my beach hat. All right, so first I gotta figure out which suitcase I want to pack or use. I don't know. How much stuff do I have? I have to look through. I have to put the outfits together again and then figure out if I just use a regular suitcase, which I probably will, and then like what carry-on am I doing. So let me go. Let me just put my outfits together. Good afternoon. Let's be real. Good afternoon. All right, so this is my pile of clothes that I'll be packing in my suitcase. So I have all my outfits together. This is all them. And then the shoes, I'll probably be traveling in that. Or I'll be traveling in those, one of them. But I think this. That could change. But this is actually just my bag to go to work. So I'm leaving today to Kentucky. So all the shoes that I'll be packing are here. I'm gonna just pack one of those bags. This is like one of my my money clutches. These are on my site on ifyyvonne.com, or it's on incoma.com. But these are money clutches. They're so cute. They're nice and blingy. This is the green one and there's a pink one. And it has a strap inside if you want to wear it long ways. Going to hold off on doing my nails because I'll be back in a week to do my nails for my trip, and I didn't want to just do them now for a week and then do another one, so I want to be as fresh as possible. This is my Chloe bag I got for traveling, my travel tote. So yeah, so once I come back, then I'll just put everything in my suitcase. I was going to put everything in the suitcase now, but I may buy a new suitcase. I just need to pack my toiletries because I'm gonna leave in like the next 2 hours or so. So I'm just trying to get everything together so when I come back next week, I'm organized and ready to go. But so next week when I come back, I'm getting my hair done. My appointment is booked, doing my lashes, doing my nails, doing my brows, and hopefully I can get a massage. So just to get myself just ready to go. It's my first trip since last year when we were in lockdown. It's my first trip out the country without Cam. So it's a lot of firsts for me. So I just want the trip to I just want to get ready for it and just enjoy it all throughout. So I don't want to be stressed about it either. So yeah, so my retreat is coming up. So definitely, if you haven't registered, make sure you register. If you haven't heard, I'm having a retreat, a ladies getaway retreat in Waikiki, Hawaii at the Ritz-Carlton. And it's going to be a retreat just for like-minded women that are wanting to start their business, maybe moms that are trying, maybe they want to start a business or just trying to find more balance and, you know, regaining their self, you know, in like marriage and having children. If you work 9 to 5, you know, maybe just bettering yourself in the workplace, maybe getting your dream job if you're working somewhere where you not feel like it's not where you want to be. You know, finding your purpose. If you're single, trying to find the one. If you just came out of a toxic relationship or a toxic friendship, if that is all of you, anyone that relates to those things I said, the retreat is for you. Like, that's why I created the retreat. Just about, and also if you're just trying to, you know, bring more money into your life and stuff like that. But we're gonna address all those topics, have workshops and daily, like, you know, girls chat slumber party style, like I promised, every day, alongside having fun, massages, you know, boat party, sightseeing, you know, yoga, you know, just having a really beautiful, luxurious time away and regrouping ourselves, mind, body, soul. And then also everybody, you know, that's come for a certain purpose will leave with a roadmap on, you know, how to get themselves to where they want to be, their best self. So there'll be an individualized plan for each person to get, you know, to where you want to be. Because we'll have, like, you know, certain one-on-ones. We'll have group chats every day as well, but then there'll be times from, you know, where we have one-on-ones so I can better help you, and then we'll draw out, you know, a roadmap on steps exactly to where you need to be your best self, you know. So, you know, coming in with whatever baggage, problems, you know, doubt that you have, fear, and leaving with a sense of purpose, you know, clarity, definitely clarity, better mindset, and a plan when you get back home to implement, you know, all the things that you've learned on the retreat, you know, just to get yourself in a better place. So yeah, I'm so excited. I did have a couple like Zoom meetings over the past couple weeks for anyone that's like interested but just has more questions or, you know, wants to get more info. So definitely I'll have a link down below if you want to schedule some Zoom calls with me, that if you're interested and just want to, you know, get more info or more questions, you know, from me before you register. That's perfectly fine, and it's okay, and it's even better so that I can start thinking about ways, you know, because as I said, everyone's going to have an individualized plan on, you know, what they'll do when they go back home. So I'll have a better sense of what you're looking for out of the retreat, and making sure that I'm serving you and catering to you and all your needs and stuff like that. So I'm so excited. So we have 2 more months to go before the retreat, so it's in August, end of August. So I'm so excited. But yeah, we're going to Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. We're staying at the luxurious Ritz-Carlton Hotel, and thankful that Ritz-Carlton Hotel will be hosting us. So they already know that we're coming. They're getting ready for the retreat, and I'm so excited. So yeah, so I would love to just put faces to names, you know, especially for those that have been following me for a very long time. But it's just a way for me to meet you guys and, you know, just connect more, and for us to have fun and, you know, just relate with each other and stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. So definitely register down below, or if you want to have a Zoom chat with me, that will be down below as well. But I feel like my summer is like literally like booked. Like Chris and I were just saying, like, I think summer is like officially booked. I think we're booked out until like September right now. So I'm excited for all the travels and fun and family fun and meetups and friends and all that stuff. So alrighty, it's time for me to re-up Cam's outfits for school. So I gotta go get those bags upstairs. So I gotta pop these in the washer before I put them in his drawers, but they got really nice stuff and they were good price. These are like $8 and stuff. So this is where I put his clothes, and he has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits left in here. So I'm gonna switch them out for short sleeves and keep the pants. And then put socks. I like fold up socks in the shirts and stuff, and then ready to go. So he has a bunch of winter clothes, winterized clothes now. All right, so I have all his pants are here, bottoms, and then I have long sleeve tops, and these are like sweaters that are out of season, definitely. So Cam is napping. At school, I asked if they can send me a picture when he naps, because I never seen him sleep on a cot before. So they sent me a picture, and this is Cam having his little nap. My little baby. So it's a smart fitness scale. It has like an app that you can connect to the scale and on your phone, so you can track your progress. I'm back. Hey guys. So today is Tuesday. I got off work a day early because I wanted to come back so I can get ready for our trip on Thursday. I'm going to Turks Caicos for my cousin Cordelia's bachelorette weekend. So yeah, so I just got back from Kentucky like an hour and a half ago. I had 2 meetings. Those are done. So I have a jam-packed day today. Right now I'm going to go do my COVID test because I need a COVID test to travel to Turks Caicos. Then I need to go check my tires because one of the tires' pressure is low. So I'm gonna go check that real quick. Hopefully that won't take too much time. Gotta go do my nails. I'm not gonna do my eyebrows because I just did them like maybe 2 weeks ago. They're good to go because if they go and do something now, they're just gonna make them thin because there's nothing to do. So my brows are good to go for once. I have a lash appointment at 3:30, so I'm gonna get some lash extensions because I want to be like ready. Then at 9 p.m. I have my hair appointment. I'm gonna just get some braids in my hair because I just wanted to like just not deal with my hair when I travel to Turks Caicos. I just want to just worry about my makeup. That's it. You know, my outfits, makeup and my outfits. I don't want to worry about my hair. I don't want to worry about putting on lashes. I just want everything to be ready to go. So I'm gonna go get my hair done. So my appointment, for my hair, I actually booked it for Wednesday evening because that was her only time slot, and she's a really popular braider here in Columbus. So when I booked it, and I texted her and I was like, is there any way that you can fit me in on Tuesday, because I travel out Thursday morning and I just wanted to have my hair ready before Wednesday so that no mishaps. So she was okay, I can fit you in Tuesday night after all my appointments. So all my appointment isn't even until like 9-10 p.m. tonight. So as I said, it's gonna be a long day of a lot of things going on. I still have to go find a suitcase. I still have to pack. I may just cut out buying a suitcase because I just don't want to, you know, I hate running around town when I'm traveling or something like that, or like an event or something, because it's just like it just gives me so much like anxiety, and it's like overwhelming to like just go here and there and up and down. Like I hate going up and down. So I'm just trying to get all ready today so that tomorrow I just worry about getting my suitcase together and getting Cam's bag together, because on top of that I'm traveling and Chris is traveling as well. So mom and dad are taking care of Cam. So I fly out of Cleveland. That's where my parents live up there. So when I'm done and ready to like go Wednesday night tomorrow, then Cam and I will drive to my parents' house and I'll drop Cam off and I'll have the night there, spend the night there, and then I'll head to the airport Thursday in the morning, and then, you know, mommy and daddy will have Cam for the weekend. Chris is traveling to go see one of his good friends, so he's flying out Thursday or Friday, I believe. So like if you want to book me for something, I'm not available until like October, maybe November. That's how like literally I think every weekend is like booked until October. It's ridiculous. This is normal. Like, it's crazy how this is actually normal for me, because in the summer times, that's literally when my whole life like picks up, like so many things back to back to back. And it's so weird because we had a whole year of nothing, over a year of nothing, and now things, as soon as things open up, it's like back to back to back to back to back. So it's like, it feels like it's like, oh my gosh, but it's like, this is normally how my summers go. So I'm happy, excited, you know, just happy, excited. Things are getting back to normal. You know, gonna see family. So yeah, so I'm excited. So today, jam-packed. We got a lot coming to you, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm at the nail salon and I'm getting my nails done. I'm like halfway done with this part, and I'm about to do my pedicure now. And my car is at the tire place getting fixed. They said they'll be done at like 1:40. Right now it's 1:42. So as soon as I'm done here, then I'll take the Uber back to the tire place to get my car. Then I need to go to Meijer to pick up some like diapers and other little things, and then back home, pack Cam stuff, and then we'll get on the road later tonight. So I'm excited. So I got hair to add, because like when I did my hair, I thought I wanted it really full, but it's like not full. So I bought more hair at the hair store to add. So I'll add it when I'm done. So yeah. What? Hey guys, I'm oily. I just came outside from taking pictures, and it was hot, but now it's raining. So I came in just in time. So I'm testing this trick out with setting spray. So I'll see how my face is the rest of the day, but it still looks, my face still looks good. Okay, so yeah, as I said, I know there's a big jump, and I have things to explain, but I was just trying to make my face not oily so I can. It's storming right now. I don't know, this is weird. I know I'm jumping all over the place, but this camera's on a tripod like this, like with this thing, this tripod, and I've seen people vlog like this, which I find weird, because I started vlogging before a lot of new people started vlogging, like some years ago. So I'm just used to, you know, how everyone did it before, just holding the camera, like holding it like this. So I've never held it like this, and I always thought it would be weird, but it's more comfortable, but I feel like it's bulky. Like I'm not, because I'm just used to just put it on, turn it off. Anyways, okay, let's go to the other room because it has more sunlight. Hope it continues raining tonight, because then Chris and I can watch a movie and have ice cream together. Always the best nights like that. Okay. Alrighty. So okay, there's a little bit more sunlight here, so it's easier. It's better. It's better. Okay. Excuse the messy room. It is a mess back here, so don't look. Don't look at over here. Don't look over here. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, 6 p.m. So last time I guys left you, I was in the hospital with Cam, and I was supposed to be on my way to Turks Caicos for my cousin's batch. So what happened was we got into town, where my parents live, because Chris traveled to Texas and I was traveling, so my parents said they would take care of Cam, which was perfect. So Cam and I got into town Wednesday evening, and he was already feeling a little like under the weather and had just a little temperature, but it wasn't anything, you know, alarming or for me to like be worried about. Wednesday night when we got into town, I checked his temperature and it was pretty high. It was pretty high, so I gave him Tylenol, I cooled him down, put him to bed and stuff like that, and that's when he started like not really wanting to eat. So Thursday morning, I woke up at like 4 a.m, got to the airport, When I got to Delta at the counter, there was like nobody at the counters working, and there was a bunch of us that were on the flight like trying to like drop our bags so we can go to security. So finally, when I was walking in, I think that's when the crew came to the counter, and then all the people that were waiting around formed a line. So I was like, oh my gosh, let me get into line, because like when I was looking at the counter, there wasn't a line, but as soon as I was walking in, the line was forming. So I got in line, and it was like, now it was like after all that time, it was like 6 in the morning. So boarding starts at 6:30, so we all had 30 minutes. So I was like, yeah, I guess they're gonna, if they're moving fast, we're all on this flight, so they can't leave us here. So I guess they're gonna, you know, move fast or stuff and stuff like that. So moving along, time starts creeping up, 6:10, 6:15, and people are getting angry, people are getting mad, yelling. And I was like, do they not want us on this flight? You know what I mean? Because literally everybody was here. So a couple of families actually had people that already went ahead and was saying that there's like nobody at the gate, and they're gonna start boarding soon. And we were like, well, I mean, they can't board without us because the majority of the plane is here. So finally, when we got to the counter, it was like a couple minutes to 6:30, and we were like, okay, so what's going on? Are they gonna hold the plane for us? And then they said they'll hold the plane for 15 more minutes. I said, okay, I think I can make it. I have clear, so as soon as I drop my bag, I can go through clear, just scan my finger, boom, 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 down to the gate. And the lady was saying like, at that point, they were like, nah, no one's gonna make it at this point, because even though you get to the gate, your bag will not make it on the plane. So I was like, great. So I wasn't stressed about it because I didn't want to be in a bad mood, but everybody else started screaming and yelling. It was like ridiculous. So they were like, well, we'll book you for the next morning. And I was like, that's fine, you know, we'll book me for the next morning, that's fine. I'm good vibes right now, so I don't want anything to make me be angry or upset about anything like that. So we're booking for the next thing, called an Uber, and as soon as I got home, I went to Cam because I knew he was already not feeling well. So I was like, well, at least I get one more night with him, because you know he's not really feeling that well. So as soon as I got home, probably like around 8 in the morning. I went to his room. I got him out of his crib so I can like lay down with him because he was still sleeping. And then eventually when he woke up, he still wasn't feeling well. Temperature was still high. He didn't want to eat anything. So I just monitored him throughout the day, gave him water. He drank plenty of water, but still was not feeling well. Just wanted to sleep all day. So then in the evening, I think it was around like 8:30ish, he woke up, and he woke up gagging. And I was next to him too. So thank goodness I was next to him. But I was next to him, and he woke up gagging, and I picked him up, and I was like, Cam, are you okay? And he kept gagging. He started throwing up, and he was throwing up just like liquid and bile because he hasn't eaten in like 2 days now? Yeah, 2 days now. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I called mommy, and I said, mommy, let's go to the ER. We put on clothes really quick. I didn't even have time to clean up the barf, anything. Put on clothes real quick, got in the car, went to ER. Unfortunately, we spent like 5 hours waiting until we were able to be seen. And then by the time they called us back, Cam was already he was already sleeping, passed out. So I was just holding him, and they, you know, checked his temperature, swabbed his nose, gave him Zofran for nausea, gave him ibuprofen and stuff, and he still was sleeping when we were back there. And then so they did a scan, they did x-ray as well, just to make sure he didn't have like pneumonia or something like that. So because he did have congestion and runny nose and stuff. So so when they swabbed him, the results came back, and he had adenovirus. So it's a type of virus, but that's what causes like the nausea, throwing up. He had no energy, didn't want to eat, high fever, you know, all of that. So they gave us instructions and medications and prescriptions to take home. So by the time I got to the hospital, I was like, obviously I'm not going anywhere because my baby's in the hospital, you know what I mean? So as soon as I got to the hospital, I sent a text to my cousin just saying like, I'm in the hospital with Cam, he got worse. So unfortunately I would not be able to make it, sadly. We got home eventually. By the time we got home, it was maybe like, I don't even know what time it was. Maybe it was 6 in the morning or something like that. imagine we got to the place maybe around like 9:30ish, and then we're coming home at 6. Yeah, as soon as I got home, Kim was passed out tired, so as soon as I took him out the car, I put him in his bed. He went right to sleep, and the whole time that he was sick, he literally just slept all day. He was so tired, didn't eat anything. Tried to force him to eat, but he didn't want to eat. So literally for 4 days he didn't have a drop of food. All he was drinking was milk, no, not milk, water. At least he wanted to drink water, so they were saying that at least they can tell that he was hydrated, because he kept drinking water, which was really good. But he didn't want to drink milk, and he loves milk. He didn't want to eat anything. So by Saturday, he was starting to get a little better. After you know, we would give him his medication and his fever would go down a little bit. You can tell he kind of got a little bit of energy and stuff. So by Saturday, he was, you know, he got more energy to like stay awake a little bit longer and like stand up and like, you know, walk around and stuff like that, because he was not walking around at all. And then by Sunday, he got a little better. And then by yesterday, which was Monday, he was about like 90% himself. And then today, I would still say like 90%. I can tell he's still a little bit like agitated and a little bit cranky, because he's usually never cranky and doesn't cry for no reason, you know, or stuff like that. So I noticed that he's a little bit agitated, a little bit cranky. So tomorrow he'll go back to school. So hopefully, you know, by the time he wakes up tonight from his nap and then wakes up tomorrow in the morning, he'll be all together himself. But definitely he ate so much yesterday. 3 plates of rice, jollof rice, mommy's jollof rice. So yeah, so definitely his appetite came back and he was so hungry. So yeah, so that's all that was going on. So unfortunately I didn't get to go to Turks and Caicos, but it's okay. I feel like everything happens for a reason, and I said this a little bit on my Instagram stories. I was giving you guys updates as things were going on, but you know, everything happens for a reason. So it's a good thing that my flight, all that hoopla happened and they had to rebook me, because I don't know what I would have done if I was at the country and Cam was so sick that he had to go to the hospital. I don't even know what I would have done. But yeah, so you know, all that happened, I don't feel bad. I'm not sad, I'm not upset. Everything happens when God said it's supposed to happen. So July, I think we have a couple trips coming up, a couple of family weddings, a couple trips. So yeah, so I'm excited. But that's the update that I had. And then anyone that's watching right now, if you guys are registered for my retreat, but if you're not, make sure you register. The link is down below. We have a couple months until we leave for our retreat, and I wanted you guys to make sure that you guys had ample time to like sign up, register, and get ready and stuff like that. But finally doing my retreat. If you haven't heard, I'm doing a ladies getaway retreat in Hawaii. It's gonna be a group trip for like-minded women, business women, moms, career women, all in different aspects of life. But we're here just to talk about life, relationships, love, careers, business, and I'm catering it to everyone that's coming. So I'll talk to everybody individually, and to make sure that everything that I bring in resources, you know, it'll be beneficial for them and stuff like that, because this is a retreat for you guys, you know. So if you're in business or you want to start a business, you know, we'll start getting the ball rolling on the retreat. If you already have a business and you need help, you know, increasing sales, generating sales or stuff like that, we'll work on that. If you're a mom and you work and you're trying to find a better balance on things and handling daily tasks, and you know, keeping your house organized, and then also keeping yourself, you know, on point and not losing yourself, we'll definitely work on that, because I have a lot of tips and experiences that I share that I have to share with you guys. And relationships, career-wise, you know, if you need help with, you know, your resume, I have resources to help you fix your resume, how to apply for jobs, how to find, you know, a dream job for yourself, you know, things like that. And also just talking about, you know, us as women in this day and age, the things that we go through, our hurdles, our setbacks, our struggles, and just kind of sharing my experience and everyone else's experience and how we get through things. The majority of the things that I'll talk about on the retreat is something that's like, I'd rather just have one-on-one talks with people. So a lot of things that I talk about on the retreat, I probably have never talked about, most likely I've never talked about like on YouTube or Instagram, because I feel like it's like personal, more in depth, more intimate. So I can't wait to just share my experiences and my personal stories with you guys that come on the retreat with me. So I'm excited, and it's gonna be like, as I said, and over the years, slumber party style. So during the day we'll have networking and meetups, activity throughout the day, and then at night we'll have PNR jammies, and we'll have our topic for the night discussion. And then we'll definitely have like a boat party, massages, yoga, sightseeing, shopping, all in Hawaii, all at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. So thankful that the Ritz-Carlton is hosting us in Hawaii at Waikiki Beach. So it'll be definitely luxurious vibes, living luxuriously, like unapologetically, respectfully, sorry not sorry. So I'm so excited. So if anyone that's watching that's coming on the retreat is already registered, comment below, say hi, get everyone else to come on the train so we can have a good time. The party train, right? Yeah. This scale that I just got, I sell it on Amazon. So it's a smart fitness scale. It has like an app that you can connect to the scale and on your phone, so you can track your progress, because it has like Bluetooth technology. And then what I love is that, so you can have different users, unlimited users on the scale. So you know, if you know, maybe you have like 5 people in your family that want to use it, and everyone can, like, you know, make their profile and track it and keep it saved on there and stuff like that. So as I said, with the app you can track your progress, you know, all the different types of measurements, BMR, body fat, weight, skeletal muscle, metabolic rate, body water, visceral fat, body fat, protein, subcutaneous fat, bone mass, BMI, muscle mass. That's all those things that it measures. So I love it, and I definitely needed this. So glad I have it now. Trying to lose weight for this summer so I can have as much of a hot girl summer as I can. This was my outfit of the day. Don't mind the mess back there. But yeah, I took pictures in this today. Chris took pictures for me. So it's a biker and t-shirt kind of day. I got this t-shirt from Fashion Nova, and the biker shorts I got from Charlotte Russe at the mall like a couple weeks ago. So I did white toes for the beach. Never done white toes before, so I was like ready for Turks Caicos, but I guess Turks Caicos was not ready for me. So until next time, it's all right. But yeah, I went grocery shopping today with Cam. I meant to vlog that, but I got so distracted because I wanted to like finish fast and come back home before it rained, before it got dark, and before his nap time. I leave for Kentucky tomorrow for work for the week, so I forgot to bring out meat to defrost yesterday because my microwave is not working. So hopefully it'll defrost by tonight, if not tomorrow, so I can have food cooked and ready for the boys before I leave, so they have food to eat while I'm gone. So I hope you guys are having a great summer so far. Mine has not kicked off yet, but hopefully it will soon. Hopefully it will soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here, and then continue on the next vlog. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.